All right, spring's in the air, and this is one I'm very excited about. So this is a solar timer that you can put on a garden hose with your sprinklers or whatever. So it does use a solar panel here to collect sunlight. So there's different angles you can set it at to make sure you're facing, well, where I'm at least, facing the south-facing sun. So we can either have it come from behind or come to the front, whatever. We want to face this at the sun, attach this to our faucet, and water comes out here. They do have a little charging port, so you want to give this thing a full charge before you go put it out there, just in case, you're getting some cloud cover or something. Comes with a little quick connect adapter, an extra little O-ring, some thread tape, just everything you need. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put this up to set clock. So 12-hour clock, 24-hour clock, okay? And then what time is it? Now it's 2:34 p.m. right now. Okay, 12-hour clock, great. Start time. We're going to tell this thing we want to start at 2, well, we'll have it start in just a couple minutes here. I don't remember what time I said it was. 2:41? Sure. How long? I want to water for, I just want to water for 1 minute. All right, that's good. How often? Every day, every 4 days, every 5 days, every 7 days, every hour. So how often is it going to water? So every day for 1 minute. Great. And then, okay, so we've got it turned on. So it tells us it's going to start watering at 2:41. Right now it's 2:34. Watch this. I'll turn on the faucet. So no water coming through there right now. So I'm going to change this so it will start watering way sooner. 2:36 p.m. Okay, here we go. Switch it back to on. Okay, as soon as it's 2:36, some water's going to start coming out of this thing. Maybe I should hook a hose to it. Yeah, never mind. The timer's counting down. And it shut off. There we go. So it'll do it again tomorrow. And we'll just aim this guy at the sun, south facing. It'll recharge itself. We're good to go. Nothing to worry about. That guy, pretty easy to deal with. Really easy to set up. Had it set up within about a minute and ready to irrigate. So we'll go set this thing up with the hose and drip line and try it out some more around here. All right, we'll see you.